Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to play Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Oppo A16s. So first we'll need to launch our Google Play Store. Here if we try to find Call of Duty, there's no game that we're looking for. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, navigate to the settings, family, parental controls, and here I disable parental controls entirely. We'll go for apps and games and enter your PIN code. Increase PG to at least 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Go back, look for the game again, and it should be right here on the top, available to play or install. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.